Dr. Zakir Naik's lecture in Dubai on 18th July 2013. The Department of Tourism, Government of Dubai, under the patronage of Sheikh Ahmad bin Muhammad bin Rashid Al Maktoum, has organized Dr. Zakir Naik's public lecture at the 12th Ramadan Forum 1434 Hijri.
World famous orator on Islam and comparative religion, Dr. Zakir Naik.
The last and final instruction manual for the human being, it is the glorious Quran.
On the topic, Quran and modern science, compatible or incompatible, at the World Trade Center, Dubai, UAE, on Thursday, 18 July 2013 at 10:30 p.m. All faiths welcome, admission free. Dr. Zakir Naik's lecture in Dubai.